Now we look at this example 1.1.3. So we want to find the number of terms in the following AP, 2, 7, 12, and 77. So how do we approach such questions? The first step is to identify the first term. So clearly, the first term, A, is equals to 2. Then we notice what is the common difference. From here, the common difference is also obvious, D is equals to 5. The question requires us to find the number of terms. We can obtain the number of terms by looking at just the last term, because we know that 77 is the last term of this AP. So if this is the last term of the AP, then the last term denoted by AN can be given by A plus N minus 1 times D. So A is equals to 2, N is unknown, is what we need to find, and D is 5. This is equals to 77. So solving this equation, we have N is equals to 16. So the number of terms will be 16 terms.